our first day in Manila, and it's also the first time in the Philippines for my son and myself. My wife has been back in over 13 years. We got to our Airbnb around 2 a.m. We decided not to sleep in, but to explore BGC in the morning. Today's BGC location is High Street. High Street is just a short taxi ride from our Airbnb, which was located in Uptown. I was very impressed with High Street and its numerous dining options and vast selections of shopping. The High Street area has an interesting blend of business offices, restaurants, shopping, and residential units. The walk was very pleasant with a lot of open green space in the mix. We finally arrived in the area with all the street vendors and the iconic 3D billboard. Checking out the vendors, our options were fruits, drinks, and dirty ice cream. I was hoping to find some street food vendors. We ended up getting some fruit shakes, Tahoe, and dirty ice cream for everyone. The sun was starting to poke through the clouds and it was getting warmer. We needed to find some shade. Here we are finishing our dirty ice creams under some trees giving us shade. Walking around, we found the Mine Museum. You can watch that video on our playlist. It's time for a late lunch. We decided to go back to Uptown. It was at this point I noticed the camera was in the wrong setting. The camera was set in single lens mode. In single lens mode, I cannot reframe the video shot. That's why all the shots were not centered or not on the subject or objects. Lesson learned, time to get some rest.